is it oily? Because I put a thing, so because when I shave, I put a thing.
Cum?
No. It's kind of aftershave, but it's kind of a cream, so it doesn't dry. It doesn't like...
So you look like Mr. Clean?
Yeah.
Busy day today. We're trying to film, but it's very difficult moving a million cars. Lots of things happening. There's a wide body Huracan there, there's a SVJ there, there's a Rolls Royce Dawn, there's a G63, there's another Dawn, and then there's my car behind me. My car we're experimenting with, the Urus. Obviously there's a lot of parts coming in, but some of the stuff we're not happy with, some of the stuff we're trying to improve on. I had an exhaust system on my car. I wasn't too impressed, so I reached out. They made another muffler version of it. We're gonna be testing that out. But right now, there's no muffler on my car. We're gonna start it up and see, well, hear how it's gonna sound with no muffler.
Drive it like this? Dude, that'd be sick. Huh? But you have to take that plastic off.
SVJ. This is that matte red one. Rosso Mimir, I believe it's called. Really crazy color. As you can see, the interior is matching, so red and black. We just put on Brixton 21 22-inch 3-piece wheels. As you can see, it has a polished gold lip and a brushed gold center, so it looks really crazy with the red. A little wild, but why not with SVJ, you know? Our good buddy RD, Wires Only on Instagram, has all these crazy cars. He sells them, so if you want some of the craziest cars out there, hit him up. This car is crazy. I think we're gonna do some more stuff to it, but for now, we got the wheels on there. It's driving perfectly fine. We just took it on Hollywood Boulevard, caused the scene. It was craziness. But yeah, now we're headed back to the shop.
We have a winner for Chris Brown's rap color. Somebody who guessed it word by word exactly. So that's incredible. The winner is Darren Shelton. So just leave a comment on your comment so we know who you are, so we can send you some RDBLA merch.
It sounds like my wife. That's what my wife sounds like. Don't put that, she'll kill me.
Alright, so behind me we have this brand new Raptor. One of our good clients picked up this truck, sent us some pictures how he wanted it. It's got all the Addictive Desert Design products on there, starting with...
Hey, taking pictures, I hold him mostly.
And next time you go inside a car with me, I'm not gonna drive slow.
Why?
You'll see.
Wait a minute, wait a minute.
Go! We got the Addictive Desert Designs front bumper on there. Boom. With the front lights on there. We got the Addictive Desert Design top rack. Of course, lights on there. The lights on the side. We have the whole chase rack. And then we even have the Stealth Fighter rear bumper. It looks incredible on this all black Ford Raptor. Everything else is stock for now. We also added a PA system with the sirens, all that stuff you guys already know. All our customers love that, it's fun. We might be doing a lift and some other wheels and tires, but for now, this Raptor is complete and it looks really, really good. Also, to you guys that are gonna say the car's dirty, it's been raining in LA, so.
Sounds way better.
Is it?
Yeah.
Than before?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Sounds the same to me.
Nah, that sounds way better.
I never knew hair feels this good. There's people actually waving at me. Ready, boss?
That's the real Moses.
That's crazy. How is that possible?